phone call a little bit ago that we have a recovery up on Red Cloud Loop on the Dry Fork side, I say? Yeah. Anyway, we're headed there now. It is super snowy and muddy, but we're gonna go head up, get them out. I've got Hallie and Alan with me today, and I got my buddy John, and I've got another buddy behind us in another Jeep. The guy that called said that they were stuck in a snowdrift and it had slid off the side of the highway and was teetered on the edge of existence. I guess there's two of them stuck. I guess there's a few people that came up, tried to help them. So we're gonna go winch them back, get them back on the road, and see what we're getting ourselves into. Should be there in about, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. Okay, we're here with Joe. Joe ran into talent? What happened?
Ran out of talent?
Ran into talent.
Well, I was going good, and then somebody else got stuck, and I slid into the other guy's ruts, and then...
So...
Yeah, and probably a little lack of talent.
Whole thing's a snowdrift. Slid off the road. Getting winched back up. Won't be too shabby. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn around, back up, and I'll stay in this rut, and then I'll just stalk close and we'll winch the front end up. And we might have him hook up to you, so we like up this way, that way it's pulling this way. And it should be pretty quick work. And then I'm gonna go out that way.
Cool.
I haven't
It's
been
not
that way
bad past this. This is the worst spot of all, but that's the way we came.
Jeep likes it.
I can't wait
So
to watch
what I'll
that.
do is I'm gonna back up, turn around, and then I'm gonna back up the road. The winch is run up, and then I might have to pull up close, like about where I'm at. Hook yours up to here on a bumper, and we'll just try to pull him back up on the road. Then when we get him pulled up, we'll go out this way. It'll be way quicker to pavement this way than back through everything.
Yeah, I'm a little wet.
Yeah? Yeah. So our buddy here, the Jeep that came to help us, he has no doors or anything. So the detail bill was Joe, right?
Yep.
That's where the detail bill goes? So Joe, get his number before we go.
Yep.
And he's gonna have detail.
All right.
I will make sure it's detailed.
We gotta back up. And we can't see. So thankfully we brought some extra waters. Okay, Joe, do you want to get in and just put it in neutral?
He was good at it.
Just put it in neutral and then just let off the brake and listen for us to yell for you, Greg.
Rocket.
Want me to try coming forward?
Put it in two-wheel drive. Reverse. Okay, start winching.
It didn't go to 2 but
See on the left side.
There you go. Okay, come forward, Greg. Give it a little gas, Greg.
there you go.
Okay, unhook. Put it in four-wheel drive. Okay, come forward, Greg.
Hey, Harbor Freight has sale going on the winches.
Okay, Greg. Crank it. Okay, now this is nice and easy back.
Oh yeah. Dude, and I drove all around up here in my truck.
Right.
And I'd pull up, back, pull one out. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, a lot of people don't realize, don't spin your freaking tires. Just, well, let it stay on top and float.
Some people get it, some people don't. Driver.
Yeah.
Yeah. Get a winch put on.
Dude, whenever you're ready for a winch, you just come by the shop.
It's coming down. Yep, I appreciate it.
Yeah, like I said, man, we were just up here, not very far away when we started, but we were just coming off the mountain. We took 12 Jeeps up over Anderson Creek, and only 6 of us finished. It was so bad.
Okay.
Oh yeah, you had to have a pretty gnarly rig to get up and over.
Wow, that'd be fun.
We winched the last 100 yards or so. Didn't have a choice. I mean, the snow was this deep.
Wow, sweet.
I mean, I'm happy to see there's still snow up here.
Yeah.
Because of the bad winter we had.
Yeah.
It surprised me when we got up here how much there actually was.
Yeah. So not bad. But
Sweet.
anyway, man.
Awesome.
Glad we
Thank
could
you.
help you out.
Yeah, thank you so much.
No problem. Easy peasy.
Yep, and I will be by for a winch.
You just need a winch, need a tree saver,
Yes.
some soft shackles, and a donut. And dude, you'll never get stuck again.
Okay. We'll do it.
Yeah.
You can hook me up with those?
Yeah. Oh yeah, dude.
All right.
It's all hanging on the wall at the shop.
All right, perfect.
Not a winch, because everyone's picky about winches.
Yeah.
I mean, you can buy the bougie Warren, or we can buy the rough country.
Yeah.
I've got both.
Okay.
So just depends on your
I'll
budget.
take your advice. You got me out quick.
Yeah,
so.
yeah.
Dude,
Like I said,
hey.
man. Yeah.
Thanks.
Anytime, dude.
Yep. I really appreciate it.
I've known Greg and Ryan for, I don't know,
Yeah.
ever.
Awesome.
So
No,
Oh,
you
yeah.
guys,
That was-
seriously.
No service, nothing. I was
I
like,
can't
dude,
believe Ryan. Well, I'm not gonna lie, that was pretty easy. I mean, he definitely was hanging on by the edge of the road. Didn't realize the road was drifted as bad as it was, but we made super quick work of that. Done. Guy was happy. Super nice guy. Just had some bad luck for the day. We're gonna head out of here and go find some dinner. What do you guys think? How'd it go, John?
Went amazing.
Yeah?
Nice, slick. Jip pulled them right over.
John wore shorts.
Hell yeah.
You know, I said, you might want to grab a hoodie. He says, nah, we're good. It'll be all right. So, what do you think, Alan? How'd things go?
Good.
Yeah, good. Hallie, what do you think?
It went good.
How was running the camera?
I almost like crap a few times,
Yeah.
but it was good.
So, to give you a little bit of an idea, if you're coming up around Red Cloud Loop, there is still lots of snow. So anyway, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.